Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you can sign in. You need your Facebook password and the device that receives codes. Once logged in, make sure backup codes or a recovery email exist because removing a number can lock you out. If you don't have backup codes, generate them now from security settings. Make sure an alternate phone or trusted contact is listed so you retain access. This prevents losing the account while you change two-factor authentication settings. Next, go directly to Settings and then Security and Login. Select two-factor authentication and then Manage Methods to view the phone number tied to codes. This is where you remove it. You'll be asked to re-enter your password or a current 2FA code to confirm. This protects your account. Once verified, tap the phone number entry to reveal options. Pause here. Don't remove the number until you've selected an alternate recovery method because the system needs another way to verify you. Finally, choose Remove next to the phone method and confirm the action. Facebook may ask for a final code or password. Once removed, immediately add another verification method, either an authenticator app or a verified email, so you don't lose access. After changes, review trusted devices and sign out old sessions for security. Troubleshooting tip: if you get locked out, use a backup code you saved or start Facebook's account recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.